Imagine sinking your teeth into a slice of bread so light and airy it practically melts in your mouth. It's fluffy like a cloud, with a delicate, almost sweet flavour. Now imagine that this heavenly bread is also low-carb and keto-friendly. That's the magic of keto cloud bread, a revolutionary recipe that lets you enjoy the pleasure of bread without the guilt. Forget those dense, cardboard-like low-carb bread alternatives. Keto cloud bread is in a league of its own. It's light, it's fluffy, and it's about to become your new favourite way to enjoy sandwiches, burgers, and even pizzas without sabotaging your diet. So, are you ready to discover the secret behind this culinary cloud? Let's dive into the wonderful world of keto cloud bread. Hi, I'm all about simple, delicious food that makes you feel good. That's why I'm so excited to share my keto cloud bread recipe with you. This recipe is a game changer for anyone following a low-carb or keto lifestyle. It's incredibly easy to make with just a handful of ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Plus, it's incredibly versatile. Use keto cloud bread as a base for your favorite sandwich fillings, toast it up for a quick and easy snack, or even use it as a pizza crust for a lighter, healthier take on everyone's favorite comfort food. The possibilities are endless. Ready to whip up a batch of this magical bread? Let's dive into the world of cloud bread and see what makes it so special. You'll be amazed at how simple the ingredient list is. Here's what you'll need: just a few basic items you probably already have in your kitchen. Eggs. The foundation of our cloud bread, eggs provide structure and that airy texture. They are the key to achieving that light, fluffy consistency. We'll be separating the yolks from the whites, so get your whisking arm ready. This step is crucial for creating the perfect texture. Cream cheese. Adding a touch of richness and tanginess, cream cheese is our secret weapon for flavor and moisture. It helps balance the lightness of the eggs. Make sure it's softened to room temperature for easy mixing. This ensures it blends smoothly with the other ingredients. Cream of tartar. Don't let this ingredient intimidate you. It's a simple yet powerful addition. A pinch of cream of tartar works its magic by stabilizing the egg whites, ensuring those beautiful billowy peaks that give cloud bread its signature texture. This step is essential for achieving the perfect rise. That's it. 3 simple ingredients are all you need to create this low-carb wonder. With just a bit of effort, you'll have a delicious, airy bread that's perfect for any occasion. Now, let's turn these basic ingredients into fluffy, cloud-like bread that will melt in your mouth. Don't worry, the process is as easy as pie, a low-carb one, of course. You'll be amazed at how simple it is. Separate and conquer. Carefully separate the egg whites from the yolks, placing them in 2 separate bowls. This step is crucial for achieving the perfect texture. Make sure no yolk sneaks into the whites, as this can prevent them from whipping up properly. Even a tiny bit of yolk can affect the outcome. Whip it good, grab your electric mixer or whisk and beat those egg whites with the cream of tartar until stiff peaks form. This will give your bread its airy texture. You'll know they're ready when you can lift the whisk and the peaks hold their shape without collapsing. This is a sign of perfectly whipped egg whites. Creamy, dreamy yolks. In the bowl with the egg yolks, add the softened cream cheese. This will add richness and flavour to your bread. Mix them together until smooth and well combined. You want a creamy, lump-free mixture. Gentle folds. Now it's time to combine the 2 mixtures. This step requires a gentle touch. Gently fold the whipped egg whites into the yolk mixture, being careful not to deflate those precious air bubbles. This will keep your bread light and fluffy. Use a light hand and mix just until combined. Overmixing can cause the batter to lose its airy texture. Your cloud bread batter is now ready for its transformation. Get ready to bake and enjoy the fluffiest bread you've ever made. Section 5. The cloud transformation. From batter to bread. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius. While the oven heats up, line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This will prevent sticking and make cleanup a breeze. Now, spoon dollops of the cloud bread batter onto the prepared baking sheet, leaving some space between each one. They will expand slightly as they bake. Pop the baking sheet into the preheated oven and bake for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until the cloud breads are golden brown and firm to the touch. Watch as they puff up in the oven, transforming from a batter into light and airy clouds of bread. It's like culinary magic. Section 6. A taste of heaven, light, fluffy and delicious. Once the cloud breads are golden brown and cooked through, carefully remove them from the oven and let them cool slightly on the baking sheet. As they cool, they'll deflate a little, but don't worry, that's perfectly normal. Now, the moment you've been waiting for. Pick up a cooled cloud bread and take a bite. You'll be amazed by its incredibly light and fluffy texture. It's like biting into a cloud. The flavor is delicate, slightly cheesy and with a hint of sweetness. You won't believe that something so delicious can be so low in carbs. Section 7. Cloud Bread Creations, your culinary canvas. Welcome to a world where your culinary imagination can truly take flight. Keto Cloud. Bread is incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in countless ways. Its light and fluffy texture makes it a perfect canvas for a variety of dishes. Let your creativity run wild. The possibilities are endless when it comes to this low-carb delight. Classic sandwich. Use 2 pieces of cloud bread to create a light and satisfying sandwich. It's a great alternative to traditional bread. Fill it with your favorite deli meats, cheeses, veggies and low-carb condiments. The combination of flavors and textures will leave you wanting more. Avocado toast, reinvented. Toast a piece of cloud bread and top it with mashed avocado, a sprinkle of everything bagel seasoning, and a poached egg for a healthy and flavorful breakfast or brunch. It's a modern twist on a classic favorite. Mini pizza extravaganza. Use larger cloud breads as a base for mini pizzas. This is a fun and easy way to enjoy pizza without the carbs. Top them with sugar-free tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, and your favorite low-carb toppings. Customize each mini pizza to suit your taste. Bake until the cheese is melted and bubbly. The result is a delicious, guilt-free pizza experience. These are just a few ideas to get you started. The versatility of cloud bread means you can create a wide range of dishes. Don't be afraid to experiment and come up with your own unique cloud bread creations. The kitchen is your playground and cloud bread is your canvas. Section 8. Join the cloud bread revolution. So what are you waiting for? It's time to experience the magic of keto cloud bread for yourself. Gather your ingredients, follow these simple steps, and prepare to be amazed. Once you've created your cloud bread masterpieces, be sure to share your culinary creations with me on social media. Tag me at Jamie Oliver and use the hashtag #KetoCloudBread. I can't wait to see what you come up with. For more delicious and easy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. Happy cooking! Section 9. Your keto cloud bread journey begins now. Congratulations! You've now unlocked the secret to light, fluffy and guilt-free bread. Keto cloud bread is a game changer for anyone following a low-carb or keto lifestyle, offering a delicious and satisfying way to enjoy bread without the carbs. Remember, this recipe is just the beginning. Feel free to experiment with different flavors and toppings to create your own signature cloud bread creations. Thank you for joining me on this culinary journey. Now go forth and create cloud bread magic.